would freeze the nuts off a Jeep.
We're sailing tonight on the old campground. Give us a song to cheer our weary hearts, a song of hope. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. Be it ever so humble, there's no place like
Home. They got it soft back there. They don't even know there's a war going on. Back in my hometown. Take my old man. He's probably down at Kelly's. And more. I know what she's doing every afternoon. All afternoon. And Grandpa, he never did a day's work in his life. With some other guy at this identical moment.
Oh, my darling. What big eyes you have.
Jeez. They're loafing, playing, while I freeze up here. I wish I could see them. I'd tell them a thing or two.
Technical Fairy, first class. At your service. Okay, Snafu. Maybe you got something there. Brass monkeys, but it's cold. Now let's take a look at the lazy-wazy home folks. Suppose we look at your old man first. Bridge game. Let's see how your ma is making out.
Hi-yo, Silver! Manure! Coming, Mother! Sure makes things grow, don't it?
And that grandpa of yours.
They thought I was too old for this job. But don't bother me a bit.
Has joined the wax.
We're working like hell in the old hometown.
They're working in the old hometown.
Working in the old home.
Town.
Gosh, I didn't know you cared. Woo-woo.